everybody, welcome to my channel, The Life of Nina. I videoed some yesterday, but today, oh my goodness, I'm glad the snow has stopped. It is bad. You couldn't even tell. Do you remember yesterday when I put my hand on the post out there and wiped the snow off? Look at these steps today. I hope that you guys can tell. I can't tell what you're looking at, but we got bombarded. I'm going to take you a quick walk and then I'm going to help my husband. But I'll let you look around the neighborhood. Yeah, you ought to see the backyard. I'll take you back there if I can get back there. It actually goes all the way up to the bottom of our swing that's out there. Guys, this is crazy. Sorry if I'm making you dizzy, but I want you to look. This is our porch, and it goes down several feet. The snow is all the way up there. And this is what I was talking about. Remember right here? Let me see if I can, yeah. This part here that I raked off, I went like this yesterday. That's how deep it was already. Here's my poor husband. Thank God he's got a snow blower. I'll take you down there and let you look around. Bad, guys. Do you remember the spot that I walked yesterday between the house and the garage? I'm going to turn you around here and look at that. Can't even tell where I was at. It's really bad. Take you over here and I'll let you see the path that he's trying to get in the garage here a little bit. I hope that you can see that. It's terrible because it's so bright and sunny out here. I can't see you guys. So I'm hoping that you can see how deep that snow is there in the driveway. I'm sorry, I'm going to keep looking, make sure I got you in the right spot. Thank goodness for that snow blower, because oh, that would be an awful job to try to do by hand. Now across the road there, where the pine trees are, right there, my dad's first cousin lives there, and he's in his late 70s, so after Steve gets done with ours, he'll go over and do Kenny's. Alright, let me see if I can get around to show you guys the backyard. I've never seen it this bad here. We're at Mom and Dad's house here. Wow. I'm not going to go any further today because I'm really having trouble trying to walk, and I don't want to fall down. But let me show you. Oh, I don't know if I can get it on. Right there, I believe, is the swing. And it's up to the bottom of that swing. And remember the big vine? I can't tell where I'm aiming at, guys. It's so bright out here. Let me turn around this and see if I can get in the shade of the house. I think it's right there over my shoulder. Can't even tell that I was out in the yard yesterday. Look at the swing down here. See it down there? That's the one that I was standing down by when I was getting those the chickens down across the creek. The snow was all the way up to that seat. Crazy. Crazy, guys. Look at the roof of the garage. Once again, I apologize if you guys aren't seeing things as well. Actually, my feet prints are not even touching the concrete. Trying to walk in the feet prints I already made, and that's hard to do. Oh my goodness. Alright guys, I'm not going to stay on here because I'm going to help my husband. I'm going to try and get the at least the steps and stuff done. He can do part of the sidewalk with a snowblower. It's bitter cold out here, guys. My lips are tingling. I'm going to go in and fix my scarf, wrap it around my face a little bit more. Not in, but in the garage here. Wrap it around my face. Thank God we have the garage. At least the cars were all protected. Not have to clean those off. So, everybody, if you've got this weather, do a little bit at a time. I know the perfect time for like a heart attack is like when you're in your 50s for a man. They call that the widowmaker, that sometimes will, you know, so I'll keep a close eye on my husband because he's had a liver transplant. He had a genetic disorder. So I'll definitely keep a close eye on him. And all right, everybody, I hope that everyone that has the snow made it out okay. And thank God we did not lose electricity last night. So, all right, I got to get out of the way, everybody. Take care.